after our last race, we ended up sending the suspension off. Fork seals were leaking, and just wanted to get the suspension set up, kind of get it clicked in to where it needed to be. Hopefully make it ride a little better. Well, we sent the suspension off, went ahead and replaced tires, so got the tires that we're gonna put on it. Went ahead and ordered some graphics, and I ordered some new gear, stuff like that. I got a seat cover coming, so we're gonna be in process of throwing it all together, and then hopefully get some time on this new suspension, get it all worked in, and maybe start turning some laps. All right, so I decided to go almost all yellow. Blue is usually my favorite color, but I really love some yellow on a bike. So we've got everything, got air box, we've got our side plates. Tell you, this stuff looks really small compared to what I'm used to seeing, or what I remember seeing. We're gonna see if we can piece some stuff together this afternoon and see if we can get this thing ready and start trying to put it back together. Hopefully have it back together tomorrow and go from there. But yeah, I think they turned out pretty good. And we got the important thing here is Jesus always looking at you, and the chill fella sitting here. So ready to start throwing this stuff on here, seeing how it looks. Yep. If it's straight, you want to soak it so you can move it in case it's not. Yeah, once it's stuck, it's there. Let's open it.